Honorable Principal Sir, respected Chief Guest, hard worker teachers, loyal parents, and my dear brothers and sisters. I want to greet you all from the deep of my heart. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am sitting in front of you, Sayyid Sohaib Gilani from 8th standard, and I am thankful to all of you for giving me the opportunity and for giving me your precious time. I want to talk about 78th Independence Day. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. And again, I like to thank for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak this proud day. India became independent from the British rule 15 August 1947. Since then, every year we are celebrating Independence Day on 15 August. As India completed 75 years of independence, we are celebrating Azadi Ka Mahotsav. We should always proud to be an Indian. We should never forget their sacrifices of other freedom fighters, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Patel Vallabhbhai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and millions of others, whose names are not even, but they fought to make India free from the British rule. Because of their sacrifices, struggle, and hard work, today we are enjoying our freedom, so we should always respect our freedom fighters. This great day teaches us the importance of patriotism and strengths of unity and irrespective of any differences. So my dear brothers and sisters, now the very law of freedom, and this is not something obtained at once. We are born in independent India, but our freedom fighters did not. So we should always respect our freedom fighters and our freedom. So my dear brothers and sisters, let's celebrate this Independence Day and love our country. On this occasion, we are remember their sacrifices and thank them. After independence, we got our all the fundamental rights. We should feel proud to be a part of an independent nation. So, today on this special day, let's take a pledge and make a promise to ourselves that we will always protect our country by maintaining brotherhood, helping everyone, and educating ourselves. As our flag rolls up high, let's every floor bring pride, glory, and joy to your heart. May we exist to witness all the dreams you have for this country come true. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living? Thank you, happy Independence Day and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Sohaib, for that inspiring and heartfelt speech. Your words have truly resonated with us all.
Honorable Principal Sir, dignified teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters and all the honorable dignitaries present over here. A very warm good morning and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to one and all present here. Today, on this special occasion, I, Ikra Azmat, from class 8th grade, am here to give a speech on Independence Day. First of all, many best wishes and congratulations to all of you for this auspicious occasion. Today, on this special occasion, I have got the opportunity to address you all. Thank you very much for this. 15 August is a day of honor and pride for every Indian. On 15 August 1947, all our freedom fighters and revolutionaries freed our country from British rule by putting their lives at stake. So, we celebrate it historically in their memory and honor because on this day we got freedom from the British Empire, which is incomparable. The British government oppressed the people of India for so many years and kept us as slaves. But today, on this day, on 15 August 1947, we got freedom from the slavery of the British and we became completely independent. In the relentless pursuit of this freedom, we have also lost many great people in our country. Many great people were born in our country who did not even care about their lives and willingly sacrificed for the country. The most important contribution to the independence of our country has been made by Mahatma Gandhi, who has forced himself to leave India by using weapons like truth and non-violence against the British rule. After independence, our country is writing a new dimension every day. Today, our military strength has also equipped with modern weapons, which has the power to annihilate any enemy in the blink of an eye. We are very humbled and indebted to our freedom fighters, to our revolutionaries and personnel from armed forces who have laid down their lives for their motherland. The best way to pay homage to their martyrs is that we should work sincerely for unity, integrity and prosperity for our motherland. For that, we have to play an efficient role in every field. Let's all pledge to make our country a prosperous one and take it to new heights. Thank you, Jai Hind.